Okay, let's see how this rear wing is been added to our race car. Okay, so restart on the beginning. So, all right. So first we did is sketching this sketch. All right. So we sketch this on the right plane. So this is on the right plane. All right. I want to check on the other side. So click side. So I want the line to be inside the car so that it will be merged. Okay. And then I want the wing to be touching also the frame of our wing. So this will be the profile of the wing. So up there, I sketch this. Okay. We extrude both. So extrude both. Okay. I select this area. One here. So you can see here we have two regions, one region and the other region, right? So we can clear this one so that you can see. So I select this region, okay, and this region. I never selected the wing, all right. And then the distance, okay, I want where will be the post of or the beam of my wing should be. So I want the beam of the wing to be here. So I put it 500 mm. All right, check. So after doing this one, we have to show the sketch. Right click and show, and then click the sketch. All right, and then we do extrude cut. So we go pictures and then extrude cut. Okay, so on the extrude cut, right, I show you. So edit. All right, on the extrude cut, I selected uh, this area. Okay, see, okay, clear this one, and then I select this one. I never select the wing. I never select this area. So I will cut only on top of the car. So because the previous extruded is 500, I want the thickness of the beam to be 20 mm. So I key in for 180, and then this is already my beam for the wing. All right. So the next I did is for the end plate of the wing. So the sketch of the end plate, I sketched it on the flat surface of my tire. So on this area, right click the flat surface. You have to find, we close first the sketch. Okay. So on this flat surface, we sketch. Okay. And then we design the end plate. So our end plate, okay, this is my sketch. All right, normal 2. Okay. And then I extruded. Okay, extruded boost. Right. So we close. Okay, on the extruded boost, we edit. Okay. So this is my extruded boost. So selected contour. Okay. We select clear, and then we select this area. All right. So check. So this is my end plate. Right. So after the end plate, I do the lofted boost. Okay. On the lofted boost base, I do my sketch. Right. So I sketch on the base of this end plate. Okay, I'll sketch. So this is already my sketch. Oh, not this one. Close. Close. Okay, my sketch is this one. Edit sketch. Alright, so this is my sketch on the wing. Alright, so something is right on my sketch, so let's see what would that be. So this is the profile of the wing. Right. Okay, check. Close. Then we close the profile of my wing on the end plate. Right. So we close. So after that, we do the 3D sketch. Okay. Edit. So I connected the sketch of the wing profile on the right plane. I bend it over here and then I connect using the spline on this side. Okay, so 2 on the front and 1 on the rear. So I edit the contour of the spline by using the front plane. Okay, because from here we can see what shape we wanted to the wing. If we want the wing to be a bit shaped like this, but make sure that this one, the thickness should be similar. Okay, so I want my wing to be like this. Right. So after that, I close and then using the lofted boss base. So lofted boss base. So we edit. Okay. So I clear my selection so that you can see which one I select. Alright. So I select the profile of this wing. Okay. So if you want close, you just click this one and then become close. Right. So similarly on this sketch of the wing, we check first and then we select also this profile of the wing on the end plate, and then we have the two already. So we go here on the guide curves, then we select this line, check. Okay, we select this line, check, and then we select also the last guide curve, check. And then this is now our wing, okay, with the end plate. So we can also change the appearance of this wing. Okay, let's by means of just right click and then you go here. So if you want this one to be carbon fiber, then we can use the lofted. Okay, and then we select composite and then we select the carbon fiber. All right, and then we can select also the end plate to be carbon fiber. We also select the base to be carbon fiber. Okay, once done, if you want the color of the carbon fiber to be red, we can also set to red carbon fiber. Okay, check. All right, so this one which is been cut, we can also make the color the same with this color. All right, so we go back here, then we go to the face, and then we can select the color. All right, check. So now, this the cut area is not selected, so this one also carbon fiber. So select, paste, and then same thing, composite. We go the carbon fiber there, then check. So our wing is already been completed.